What is up, guys? I'm back at it with yet another video. This video is going to be how to run artificial intelligence, yes, AI, on your Flipper Zero using the Gemini API key. This is super cool, and all you need is your Flipper Zero and a Wi-Fi dev board. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is head over to Darkside's Flipper Zero Gemini API key thing. And he was the one that developed this program with Derek Jamison or Code All Night. And anyway, so the first thing we're gonna do is head over here to Gemini IA pre-compiled binaries. I cannot speak today. And so you're gonna choose your preferred board. I have this one. This is the official dev board. We're just gonna tap on that, and then over here you can see where it says download raw file. We're just gonna hit the little download button, and then we could save it to wherever we want. I'm just gonna save it into my special Flipper Zero folder, which in this case is right here. So then we hit save. Now that we have this, we're just gonna go into it, and we are gonna go into it again, and you can see that we have all these files. Then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to plug our Flipper Zero in, and we're going to head over to QFlipper. Okay, now that we got QFlipper open, we're going to head over to the little note thing, and then we're going to go over to Apps Data, and then we're just going to leave it like that because now we have to install the app. So we're going to head over to Labs Flipper. Again, all of these links will be linked in the comments below. We are going to head over to apps, and then it should be a relatively new app. It is right here, Gemini IA ESP32, and all we need to do is hit this little install button and connect our Flipper. But actually we need to close back out of this because then it's going to say, oh no, you can't do that, and it's annoying. Why is it not working? Just unplug your Flipper, plug it back in, and then you should have to hit this. I don't know why mine is not automatically connecting. Oh, right here. So go over to connect, Olatrack, which is my Flipper's name, and then just connect. And then we are going to head over to apps and back down, Gemini IA, and then just hit install. Downloads are super quick because of they're really small. So as you can see, just gives you a little presentation basically. And then we're going to head over to the Gemini API key website thingy thing. So then we head over here, and then we're just going to tap the button that says get a Gemini API key in Google AI Studio. And then you're just going to have to hit consent. Make sure you read this so I'm not responsible to anything that happens. Then you're going to hit I accept. And then you're going to create API key. So now it's going to generate your API key. For demonstrational purposes, I'm showing you my API key because I trust you guys, but do not share this with anyone. So as you can see, it's right here. We're going to hit copy, then we're going to hit the minus button and just create a new text document. So we're just going to tap that, go into the text document, and then we're just going to paste that API key that we got. And then we're just going to go over here, file, save, and then we can close out of that. And then we're going to head back over to QFlipper. I know I just told you to close it out, but we're going to reopen it because why not? And permission was denied because we have to go back over here and get rid of this tab because that is taking over like basically the bandwidth for the Flipper. So just unplug, plug back in, and we got it working. So we're going to go over to SD card. We're going to go to Apps Data, ESP Flasher, Assets. Not assets. We're going to go to ESP Flasher right here. And I think right here we are just going to paste our things that we just downloaded. So we're going to head back over to the download file over here. Oh, I just removed it. Good thing that was not the right one. Going to bring it over here. Tap that, and then we're going to bring our QFlipper over here. Is we actually have to extract this. Extract. And then we got this pulled up. We're just going to do this again. Take our files, highlight them all, and then just drag them in. And so now it should be doing this. And so what we want to do now is we want to take our dev board and then just plug it into our Flipper. And then now we are going to head over to our Flipper 0. So we're just going to tap Home, tap Apps, go down to GPIO, go down to ESP, and then keep going down until you see ESP Flasher. This is how we're going to actually flash the firmware on. If you want to get Marauder back on, you're going to have to do this again, but it's super easy as I explained in my last videos. Manual flash, then you're going to go down to bootloader, tap that, and then you're just going to scroll down to bootloader, part table, you're going to tap that, and then you're just going to go down to partitions. Then for firmware A, we are just going to tap that, and then just tap on Gemini AI. And we're going to scroll down and then hit fast or slow. I think slow is better just because it makes sure everything is put together correctly. So we are going to do that, and then after, we're going to see how the results turn out.